first expression here is, the questioner is expressing, will my passion ever make room for final growth and stability? One of the practical questions. It is in most seekers' mind, this question. This creates a kind of conflict also in many people. One side the desires, another side is searching and seeking, longing to be in the ultimate, longing to be in the natural state. This creates conflict, inner conflict. Because today world is full of attractions. This much attractions were not there some 50 years before. Today very much attractions. Because of the outcome of the science and technology, creativity, we have created so many things around us. Everything is attracting. So many new passions are arising. What to do is the question. Shall we close our eyes towards these attractions? Is it possible to close the five senses? After all these attractions are enjoyed by the five senses. If you keenly look into this. So, one side the Creator has created five senses. Another side, out of the creativity, many people creating so many attractive things in front of you. In between, the mind is asking, what to do with my passions, with my desires? A confused state. Because some of the teachers, they recommend, close your eyes. Close your ears. Don't see unnecessarily. Don't listen too many things. One side of teaching or advices or conditioning going on in the society and the people around you. But the truth is surrounded by beautiful attractions and the five senses, which are ready to enjoy. After all, we are surrounded by forms and names. That's all. You may call it anything. To be precise, they are nothing but some forms with some names. That's it.